What are your go-to comfort food ideas when you are off work? Well, y'all, here are mine. And it's taking me back to my childhood. I am off today as a radiology technologist. Tuesdays are my me days. I don't know about you, but I've got one. Now, the first thing is you got to go with some French fries. I'm going to be healthy and put those bad boys in the air fryer for about 10, 12 minutes. I need mine crispy, dark, and crunchy. Yes, ma'am, I do. And it's time to go back in the freezer. But next, I've got to bring out, I don't do dairy, so I'm doing some vegan butter here and some vegan cheese. Y'all, if y'all have not tried this vegan cheese, I'm going to put it in the comments because I'm probably not saying it right, chow cho, but it is great on some just regular bread. This is it. Just some grilled cheese, y'all. And of course, it's the vegan cheese because I don't do dairy cheese. But yum, 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 yum. This is taking me back to my childhood. Who loves grilled cheeses? Because I do. These are a go-to after school. I got my little cupboard down there where I keep my nuts. And I'm going to go ahead and grab those Brazilian nuts because they are very healthy for you. Got to do at least 3. I did 4 today, though. But don't talk about my grilled cheese. It is a little burnt, but my grandmother said a little charcoal in the stomach is good. And I'm calling it charcoal. A little burnt toast is good for your tummy. So back to the office because I'm actually doing listening to some audiobooks and some education. So that's what I'm going to go back and eat at my desk. Yes, I sure am. And first, before I do that, I don't know, but these Invisalign, they've got to come out. I cannot eat with them. I don't know how some of y'all eat with your Invisalign or retainers and just not happening. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. But anyway, ciao.